Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Rona's TV. So on this channel we bring you amazing tips on how to start broiler farming right in the comfort of your house on a small scale and still be able to maximize profits to the fullest. You understand? So last week, which was on the 11th of April 2025, we brought some set of birds and we took the weight. You can see the birds, they are doing pretty good. We took the weights of the birds and they were at random. We got 38 grams. So today we are going to move our birds from this brooding house to a much bigger apartment for them. Let me call it apartment. It's their own apartment now. The way we live in our apartment, broilers, they live in their own apartment, which is their penthouse. So I will take the weights of the birds at random. I'll just pick 5 birds at random. So I'll zero my scale. So I on my scale and I'll zero it. It's already on 0. So I'll just pick 5 birds. Oh yeah, come. So these are the 5 birds. They are here. So they came with 38 grams. That was what they came with. So we are getting 229 grams. 229 grams is 188 grams. This 236 grams. This is 225 grams. This is 183 grams. So if you see the birds are doing well, you know it's broiler now. You still have smaller ones inside. So they are 200 and above, and few of them are below 200. You understand? So that is it. So I will show you the birds, then we'll move them to their new apartment. So guys, these are our birds. Today is the 11th that we brought in these birds, and you see them. They are doing great. They are doing great. So far we have 3 mortality. We lost 3 of them. So that is a good result. We lost 3 of them. And on the 5th day, I noticed CROD on them, which is cough, chronic respiratory disease. So immediately I started administering drug for CROD for them. Look at it, and it's gradually fading away. So tomorrow is day 10. Tomorrow we'll be giving them our first vaccine, which is the Gumboro vaccine. You can see the birds, they are doing well. So this is how the birds are doing so far. So we are moving them from this penthouse to a much better and bigger penthouse before we transfer them to the main penthouse. So look at it, they are doing great. They are doing great. So guys, if you have watched in this extent and you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, just hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified each time we come up with a new video. So subscribe to our YouTube channel and enjoy beautiful and amazing tips on how to start broiler farming. So we finally move our broilers to the new penthouse. As you can see, they are doing very well. They are doing beautiful well. So I've given them water. So let me give them the remaining water. So in this water here, I've mixed their CROD drug right inside here. So I'll give it to them. Alright. So I increased their drinker. Initially we were using 2 drinkers, so I increased it to 3. So they have a bigger space and a bigger apartment in this place. So you can see them, they are doing beautiful well. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll come back with a new video for you. Thank you guys, and stay blessed.